This is our DIY project. I've had this underpinning for about 25 years and just did not know what I wanted to do. And then I found the GenStone products, and I am just very pleased with how well it's turned out, how the difference it's made in our house. I chose the gray because it was a personal preference, but really I'm just impressed at how well it went with the white siding and then our blue shutters. So the representative I worked with at GenStone has been great to help me do the math and figure out all the products that I needed. And even when I had to call back and ask questions, they have just been very understanding and good to work with.